Hi everybody. I just want to follow up and make sure you all know how to set up your online book club groups for next Monday's class. Thank you to those of you who stayed after class for a few minutes and helped us clear this up. And I'm sorry for the confusion of getting this set up, but I think it'll be pretty easy if you just follow these directions. So once you're in Canvas looking at our course's home screen, on the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Select People, and then under People, you'll see a tab at the top that allows you to click on Groups. And you'll see that we already have 3 groups that have been set up by students in the class. I don't know if you can see this on your end, but on my end I can. So it looks like we just need 2 more groups set up. So to do that, you'll have just one person in your group organize the group online by clicking this button in the upper right hand corner to add a group. Then you can name your group whatever you want, and then click on the people you would like to invite to the group based on whoever's normally in the group in class. Click Submit, and then you should be able to see your group pop up here. Then you can go here, go to discussions, see this group in order to have your online book club discussion next week. I will go ahead and go back to session 8 where I have the link to the book club, and I'll delete this here. You won't need to access it here since you're creating your own groups on Canvas. Okay, don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. We'll figure it out together, and if we make mistakes or something happens along the way, we'll regroup and figure it out. But I think it'll be fun for you to have an opportunity to just engage in some online book club discussion. And I look forward to seeing you online and seeing you again face-to-face in 2 weeks. All right, have a great week. Bye-bye.